everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking some simple and quick recipes that are suitable for beginners like myself. This video is in collaboration with Martha Stewart and Marley Spoon, which is a meal kit subscription service that sends pre-portioned ingredients and new recipes right to your doorstep every single week. If you're interested in getting your own box, I have a $20 voucher code for you. You can click my link down below and you can get your first box for $32.95. For lunch, I'm going to be cooking a takeout style chicken and broccoli lo mein with toasted cashews. They have an app and you can also opt to go paperless. This recipe makes 2 servings and it's supposed to take minimum 30 minutes. The ingredients come packaged like this. This is for the chicken and broccoli lo mein. I have yet to open this because I wanted to open it on camera for you guys. So let me show you the ingredients they sent me. So these are all the ingredients that were sent to me. The recipe calls for half a pound of broccoli, 1 medium red onion, a clove of garlic, an ounce of fresh ginger, 12 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 2 ounces of tamari soy sauce, half an ounce of sesame oil, an ounce of roasted cashews, and 7 ounces of udon noodles. The recipe also calls for ingredients that you most likely already have in your kitchen, such as kosher salt and ground pepper, sugar, apple cider vinegar, and neutral oil. So first, I'm going to bring a medium pot of salted water to a boil. I'm going to start prepping ingredients. It says to peel and finely chop ginger. Next, I'm going to finely chop 2 teaspoons of garlic. Half onion thinly sliced through the root end. The water has started boiling, so I'm going to add the udon noodles. So I've already washed the broccoli and I'm just going to cut them up. It says to stir the noodles occasionally and to cook this for about 5 minutes. We're going to cook the noodles until just tender. And I'm also going to chop the cashews. Next, we're moving on to the sauce. In a small bowl, I'm going to combine the tamari soy sauce. I'm going to put in all of the sesame oil. Next is a 1/4 cup of water and 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm going to pat the chicken dry, then thinly slice them crosswise in 2 strips, about 1/4 of an inch wide. I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of neutral oil in a large skillet over high until shimmering. Chicken is nice and brown and it smells really good. So I'm going to transfer this to a plate and I'm going to start sauteing the vegetables. Now everything is cooked. All that's left to do is to plate it and add the toasted cashews on top. I'm super excited to try this. Let's have a taste. This really like kicks my Chinese food cravings. The sauce is really good. Cashews add just like a tiny bit of crunch. I'm very proud of myself and my dish. I'm gonna eat some more of this and probably set some aside for my family. I hope you all enjoyed cooking lunch with me today. I will see y'all for dinner very soon. Hello everyone, for dinner we are making steak and french fries with Caesar wedge. This is estimated to take 30 to 40 minutes and it's also 2 servings. You can also opt for 4 servings if you want to cook for your whole family. You can choose a meal plan that suits you and your needs, so you can change the number of servings depending on how many people are in your household or how many people you're cooking for. Here are the ingredients. This is for the steak and french fries with the Caesar wedge. And let me show you all the ingredients in here. So the recipe calls for 1 romaine heart, 1 shallot, 2 potatoes, 10-ounce sirloin steaks, 1/4 ounce of Italian seasoning, 2 ounces of mayonnaise, and 3/4 ounces of grated Parmesan. And it also calls for ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen, such as kosher salt and ground pepper, apple cider vinegar, neutral oil, and butter. First, I'm going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I've already scrubbed the potatoes, and now I'm going to cut them lengthwise into 1/4 inch thick wedges. I'm going to place the potatoes in a medium pot with enough salted water to cover by 1 inch. I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. Then I'm going to uncover it and cook it until barely tender for 5 to 8 minutes. For the salad, I'm going to cut the romaine in half lengthwise, then cut crosswise into 6 wedges, discarding the stem end. I'm going to finely chop the shallots and 1 teaspoon garlic. In a medium bowl, I'm going to combine mayonnaise, chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, 1.5 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon vinegar. And season to taste with salt and pepper. I'm going to drain and return the potatoes to the pot off heat. Now we're going to roast the french fries. I'm going to toss the cooked potatoes in a pot with 2 tablespoons oil and a generous pinch of salt and pepper. I'm going to carefully spread the wedges on a preheated baking sheet. In this case, I used foil. The potatoes will roast on the upper oven rack for about 25 minutes until golden brown and crisp, and I'm going to flip them in the last 5 minutes. Now we're moving on to the steaks. I'm going to pat the steaks dry. Then season all over with salt, pepper, and 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning. I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon oil in a medium-heavy skillet over medium-high. Now I'm going to add the steaks and cook until well-browned and medium-rare for 3 to 4 minutes per side, and transfer to a cutting board to rest. In the same pan, I'm going to add the chopped shallots and cook over medium heat until lightly browned for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon each of water and vinegar. Cook whisking until the sauce is emulsified for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to remove it from heat and season to taste with salt and pepper. I'm serving the steak with the fries and wedge salad alongside. I'm going to spoon the pan sauce over the steaks. And drizzle the dressing over romaine wedges. Then sprinkle all of the remaining Parmesan. And that's it.
Try the fries. Yeah, they're not bad. They're not too burnt. They're just like extra crispy.
Yeah.
You made the ranch?
Mayo, garlic.
It's not bad.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's good. Actually, it's pretty good. Try this steak. It's pretty well cooked. Good job.
Dinner was delicious, and as you guys saw, it got the seal of approval from Alvin. So if he approves of how my cooking tastes, then I'm happy about it. It was delicious. The ranch dressing was really nice. I don't know why, but my steak came out a little bit more rare than his steak. So that was interesting, but it was still very good with the Italian seasoning. I thought that I totally burnt the fries, but they were just very crispy, but it turned out better than I expected. I'm proud of how I did. I hope you all enjoyed cooking with me in this video. Let me know if you would like to see more cooking videos like this, although I'm still learning myself. And like setting up shots and stuff takes a very long time, but I'm willing to do it if you guys want to see that. If you're interested in getting your own box from Martha Stewart and Marley Spoon, click the link in my description box down below. With my code, you'll be able to get $20 off your first box, which makes it $32.95, which already includes shipping. So that's 4 meals per box in 1 week. You get to pick and choose whichever recipes you want. You can cancel or pause your subscription anytime you'd like, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for new recipes to cook. Even if you're advanced or a beginner trying to learn how to cook, I think meal kit services are very fun if you can afford it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!